Now listen here. Exercise 6.9. Question number 3. Find the angle between the line. This is a line. This is a plane. The plane R dot. It is a dot on the this is called perpendicular vector. Line vector. After scalar, B vector. It is of the form R vector equal to A vector plus T into B vector. B vector. It is of the form R dot N is equal to Q. It is this one. Am I right? Therefore, that you will assume B vector equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. The N vector equal to what? 6i cap, 3j cap plus 2k cap. Therefore, angle between a line and a plane is given by sin theta equal to modulus of beta n by modulus of b modulus of n. B is what? I plus 2j plus minus 2k dot 6i plus 3j plus 2k modulus. The modulus is what mean? Square root of modulus of n is what? If you know 1 square plus 2 square minus 2 whole square, again 6 square 3 square plus 2 square. Now dot by now I will take 12 sorry 6 2 3 are 6 minus 1. Here root of 4 1 root of 36 4 40 49. Good what? 12 minus 8 is 4. 12 minus 4 is what? 8 is 3 into 7. Therefore, theta equal to sin theta equal to 8 by 21. We want to know sin inverse of 8 by 21 is the answer. In this way, you find angle between a line and the plane. Similarly, the next one is what? This is the same. The next one, R dot. Here 2x plus minus 2y plus z equal to no. This came in as R dot. Am I right? 2y minus 2j plus k equal to. Am I correct? This came as. This is a Cartesian equation. This is vector equation. Anyway, this also came this one. The first one is dot afterwards. This is called n vector. 2 involving this n1 n2. Let us assume back anyway. Both are plane. That's why n1 equal to r plus square. N2 is what? The same thing. R plus scalar. Am I right? Now as usual, angle between this is called two planes. What is the formula? Cos theta equal to b dot n by modulus of b modulus of n. Sorry, here n1 is known. n1 vector n2 vector modulus by n1 again modulus of vector. Now substitute I cap j cap dot next is what? 2i cap 2j cap plus k cap modulus root of first is what? 1 square minus 2 square 2 square minus 2 whole square plus 1 square. Am I right? Dot means what? I will take 2 minus 2 minus. Am I right? Here 1 4 root 6. Here 2 square 4 again 2 square 4 9. Here this is cancel now. Modulus of minus only 2. This is root 6 in 3. Am I right? Therefore, theta equal to cos inverse of 2 by 3 into root 6. That is the answer. Anyway, it is the question clearly that the questions are both are plane or one straight line, one plane. In In this way, you want to discuss the same after one straight line, one plane means straight line after square root is b vector, after dot is what n vector by this formula. Side formula. Next is another plane circle. Both are same actually. Here vector is given, here Cartesian is given. Anyway, after dot you know this is n1. Here this also can run as r dot 2i minus 2j plus k plus y. After that is what? 2i minus 2j plus k. This is n2 vector. Now here cos theta. What symbol is what? n1 dot n2. In this way, you want to write the formula. After substitute there, then simplify, we get the answer. Both are important. 2 marks are the question. Read the question clearly. Angle between two planes, one straight line, one plane. That's right. Now listen here. Question number 5. Find the equation of the plane which passes through the point 3, 4, minus 1 and is parallel to the plane. Also find the distance between the two planes. Now, given the equation of the plane, equation of the plane is 2x minus 3y plus 5z plus 7 equal to 0. Then next is parallel equation of the plane is of the form tension area parallel is what? World divided by constant. X term, y term becomes same thing. Plus means of k means of constant. This constant may be negative number or positive number or 0 without constant, with constant. E plus k equal to 0. Am I right? Now, what is the point given? Since you pass through the point 3, 4, minus 1 now. Substitute here 2 into 3, 4, 5 into minus 1 plus k equal to 0. 6 minus 12. Minus 5 plus k equal to 0. Minus 6. Am I right? 11. 6 minus 12 minus 8. Minus 6 minus 5 minus 11. We want k. Am I right? Therefore, parallel equation of the plane is substitute that 2x minus 3y plus 5z plus 11 equal to 0. This is given plane. This is a parallel plane. Anyway, x term, y term, z term both are common, can't only change. But distance between the two planes, what is the distance between the two planes? What is the formula now? D equal to d1 minus d2 modulus a root of a square plus b square plus c square. This is the formula. d1, d2 mean constant term. The first one is 7, next is 11. Right? 7 minus 7. Here is what? A square plus b square plus c square mean what the meaning of the coefficient of x, y, z. 2 square plus 3 whole square plus 5 whole square. You got what? Minus 4 divided by root of 4 plus 9 plus 25. Only 4. Here, what is the answer? 30 by 30. Am I right? 2 by 9 is the answer. The same method. 4 by root of 30. No. The symbol is not this answer. That's all. You will find the parallel plane after distance between two parallel plane by using one formula. That's all. Now next question, sixth question. Find the length of the perpendicular from the point 1, minus 2, 3 to the plane x minus y plus z equal to 5. Now this is the question. Now write the formula. Length of the perpendicular from the point x1, y1, z1 to the plane ax by cz plus p or minus p, whatever may be no problem, is delta distance sector or should be d, that is not a matter. What is the formula? ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 minus b within the bond. Root of a square, b square, c square. This is the formula. Now write answer. Length of the perpendicular from the point 1, minus 2, 3 to the plane. What is the plane? X minus y plus z minus 5 equal to 0 is d equal to, in numerator substitute the point. Replace x by 1 minus y is what? Minus 2. This is 3 minus 5 within the modulus divided by root of the coefficient of x, y, z square and adding. Am I correct? Equal to 1 plus 2, 3, 5. Am I correct? Here 1 plus 2 plus 3 minus 5 by root of 3, yeah? 1 plus 1 plus 3. Now adding 2 plus 5, 3, 5, 5 plus 5, 1. We get only 1. Modulus of 1 is what? Only 1. 1 by root 3 unit is the answer. That's it. Only by using small formula, we get the answer. Now next question. 7th one. Find the point of intersection of the line, this line, with the plane, one plane. Also find the angle between the line and the plane. Two subjects are given. Two subjects are asking. Okay, what is given? X minus 1, y plus y by 2, z plus 1 by 2. Am I right? This is right. This can be written as x minus 1 by no number is 1. A no number means x what? Mean right? 2. Okay, z plus 1 by 1. Am I right? Denominator no number means that is understood 1. Am I right? Now it is equal to S or T. T say. Now equal first clause. What is the answer? X minus 1 by 1 equal T. X minus 1 equal T. X equal to T plus 1. That right answer. Any point on the line is from equal first to last. We get the x value is T plus 1. The y value is what? 2T. This what? T minus 1. Since this point lies on the plane. You have plane, plane lies on the plane. This plane 2x minus y 2z equal to substitute here 2 into t plus 1 minus 2t plus 2 into t minus 1 equal to, now simplify 2t plus 2 minus 2t minus 2 equal to, the minus 2t plus 2 cancel, 2 minus 2 cancel, but we get answer t 2t equal to t equal to 1. Now what is asking? Therefore the point of intersection is replace t equal 1 here. T is what? 1 plus 1, 2. 2 into 1, 2. T is what now? 1 minus 1, 0. This is the point of intersection. First answer over. Now what is asking? What is asking? Angle between them is asking. Angle between them is asking. What is the method to find? The same thing. Here to find the angle. To find the angle. Next subdivision. Alright? This is the equal side line. Pass into one point, one parallel vector. That means let B equal to this one. 19 plus 2j plus k. Then n vector equal to this is the plane equation, no? The plane. It is on the form r dot 2 2i vector minus j vector plus 2k vector equal to 2. That's why 2i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. In this way, from the question, you would assume P and N because one straight line, one plane. Now angle between a line and a plane. What is the formula? Sin theta equal to modulus of b dot n by modulus of b modulus of n. Substitute b is what? I cap 2j cap k cap dot. Okay? Dot n is what? 2i cap minus j cap 2k cap divided by modulus is what I mean? Square root of 1 square 2 square 1 square again 2 square minus 1 whole square plus 2 square. Am I right? Now put the dot point 2 I minus 2 plus 2 modulus. The root of 1 square 1 2 square 4 6 here 2 9 here only 2 by root 6 into 3. Therefore, this is sin theta known. Theta equal to sin inverse of 2 by 3 root 6 is the answer. That's all. 3 into root 6 is the answer. Read the question clearly. We have two solutions. One is point of interest in this idea, an angle between a plane and center in this idea. That's all. Now next question, first question. Find the equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of the two planes. This is equation of plane in the form of vector equation. It is a form Cartesian equation. R equal to xi plus yk plus y multiplied 2x minus some y plus 4z. Anyway, I am starting back. I have found the formula. Equals a plane pass into the line of intersection of the two planes. R dot something equal to something. This also you want, right? R dot something is what? 3a minus 5j plus 4k equal to minus 1. In this way is given by what is the formula? R dot into minus q1 plus lambda into R dot into minus q2. R dot multiply both. What is the answer? 2x minus 7y plus 4z. Am I right? This 3 equal to 3 comes inside minus 3. In this way, that will answer. R dot meaning R is always xi plus yj plus k. After we start quadratic, the answer 2x minus 7y plus 4z minus 3 equal to 0. Plus lambda into this that is one Cartesian equation. 3x minus 5y plus 4z again numbers are separated plus 11 equal to 0. To find the lambda, put point. We use point actually, and the point already given the question itself, and the point. The question point is given. What is the point? Minus 2 comma 1 comma 3. Minus 2 comma 1 comma 3. Since this equation is passing through the point minus 2 comma, what is the point? The plane passes through the point. Since the plane passes through the point minus 2 comma 1 comma 2. Substitute 2 into minus 2, 7 into 1 plus 4 into 3 minus 3 plus lambda into 3 into minus 2 minus 4 into 1 plus 4 into 3 plus 11 equal to 0. Substitute minus 4 minus 7 plus 12 minus 3 plus lambda into minus 6 minus 5 12 plus 11 equal to 0. Now 10 minus 14 plus 12 is minus 4 plus lambda into minus 11 plus 1 cancel 24. Am I right? We want lambda. We want lambda. That's why 12 lambda equal to 2. Lambda equal to 2 by 12. That is 1 by 6. This is lambda. Once again, substitute the lambda value here. After simplification, you get the equation. That is the answer. Put lambda. That is first equation. Put lambda equal to 1 by 6 in 1. Substitute here. 2x minus 7y plus 4x minus 3 plus 1 by 6 is there. Next is what? Next equation 3x minus 5y plus 4x plus 11 equal to 0. Now throw multiply by 6. What is the answer? 6 into 2x minus 7y plus 4x minus 3. Here 6 cancel now. 1 into 3x minus 5y plus 4z plus 11 equal to 0. Now multiply 12x 42y 24z minus 18 plus 3x minus 5y 4z plus 11 equal to 0. Now combine x with x 15x. Y with y minus 42y. Z with Z plus 20 Z. Number with the number minus 7 equal to 15x. What is your answer? Check your answer. 15x. The balance 15x minus 47. 47. Right? 42. 5 no, 47. Plus 28 is that minus 7 equal to 0. This is the which is the required equation of the plane. Which is the required equation of the plane. Two planes are given. You want to combine together plus lambda. To find the lambda, substitute the point. After once you get lambda value, you get the answer. Simple concept only. This question is solved. Now question number 2. Find the equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of the planes x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 2. One more x minus y plus z equal to 3 and at the distance 2 by root 3 from the point 3, 1, minus 1. Now write the formula. Already I told you. Two planes are given passing through the line of intersection. That means what? Two planes on R1 dot N1 equal to Q1, R dot N2 equal to Q2. It is a vector form. XY is not be Cartesian form. Anyway, both are plane. Now what is the same plane? X plus 2y plus 3z equal to minus 2. This is Q1 actually. Plus lambda into x is what? X minus y plus z minus 3 equal to 0. Am I right? To find the lambda, one point is given, that point is passing through the plane, but here point is not given. Distance from the point will be given. That's why you write x plus 2y plus 3z minus 2 plus lambda x, lambda y, lambda z minus 3 lambda equal to 0. Am I correct? Now combine these two. X common. What is the main answer? 1 plus lambda into x here. 2 minus lambda into y is it 3 plus lambda into z. Last one is what? Minus is common. Here 2 plus 3 lambda equal to 0. Am I correct? Now, what's given? Now, what is given? Distance from the point 3, 1, minus 1 to the plane. This is the plane 1. This plane. The plane 1. Plane 1 is equal to what? 2 by root 3 is given. What is the formula? Substitute 1 plus lambda into 3 is 3 plus 2 minus lambda into y is what? 1 plus 3 plus lambda is equal to minus 1. Loss is what? Minus 2 plus 3 lambda inside modulus divided by root of the coefficient of x is what? 1 plus lambda whole square, 2 minus lambda whole square, 3 plus lambda whole square. Am I right? Am I right? Equal to 2 by root 3. That's very important. Let the calculation divided by this one. In numerator, you want to simplify 3 plus 3 lambda plus 2 minus lambda. Here minus 3 minus lambda. Last day minus 2 minus 3 lambda divided by a plus b equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a square plus b square minus 2ab is 4 lambda. A square plus b square plus 6 lambda. These are all within the square root. That's important. Equal to 2 by root 3. Now this will be cancelled. Plus 2 minus 2 cancelled. 3 cancelled. Minus 2 lambda divided by here. Substitute 2, actually 3 square is what? 9. Direct cancel 9. Lambda square plus lambda square plus 3 lambda square within square root. Lambda 2 lambda, then minus 4 lambda, minus 2 lambda plus 4 lambda. Number 1, 4, 5, 14 equal to 2 by root 3. Now, actually formula is what? Inside the modulus alone. Am I right? Inside the modulus. Anyway, the distance only you know, that's why. Now, cos multiply and simplify we get the answer. Now, any squaring, suppose you put the modulus in positive will come. Now, anyway, root is one squaring and both sides automatically the minus will plus. So, minus 2 cancel. Cos multiply minus lambda into 3 equal to the root of 3 lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 14. Now, squaring and both sides. Squaring on both sides. Automatically minus into plus root 3 becomes 3 lambda becomes lambda square. Okay? Even root cancel 3 lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 14. This will cancel. Am I right? Minus 4 lambda equal to 14. We want lambda. Am I right? After finding lambda value, after substitute here, we get the answer. This is easy. Suppose it is this 1 and 3. This only 1. This is 2. Here, 2. Am I right? Now, so after finding lambda value, substitute here and simplify, we get the equation of the plane. Somewhat extra work, but calculation is very simple. But use the previous idea. Which idea? Passing to the second part of equation to plane. Simple concept. First equation plus lambda second equation. Whether it is vector equation given or Cartesian equation, that's not a matter. You want only x comma y comma, that's Cartesian equation. First equation plus lambda second equation. Suppose points are given me, substitute the point and get lambda value, but if a point not given, distance from the point only given. That's why arrange, multiply and arrange x term, y term, constant term, z term. You actually 3 into 3 plus lambda into then only z is minus 1. After distance is given, from this area you have to find the value of lambda. Now, to find the lambda value, lambda is what? Lambda equal to 14 by minus 4, cancel minus 7 by 2, this is lambda. Put lambda equal to minus 7 by 2 in the first equation. Okay? Substitute lambda equal to minus 7 by 2 in the first equation. We get the answer x plus 2y plus 3z minus 2 Laplace of minus 7 by 2 x minus y plus z minus 3 equal to 0. Am I right? Now simplify this answer. Now multiply 2 here 2 into x plus 2y plus 3z minus 2 minus 7 into x minus y plus z equal to 0. Am I right? Now multiply 2x 4y 6z minus 4 minus 7x plus 7y minus 7z 21 equal to 0. Now x term with x term minus 5x y term with y term plus 11y z with z minus 20z constant with constant plus 17. Change sign 5x minus 7y plus z minus 17 equal to 0, which is the required equation of the plane. This is the required equation of the plane. Somewhat extra okay, but the concept only is one formula and this is two formula here. That's all. Another important two formula. Image of b vector of u vector is given by b vector equal to u vector plus 2 times p minus u dot n model, actually bracket not modulus, we put the bracket into so r n vector divided by modulus of n square. The same thing, foot of the perpendicular of the point in the vector is asking me, foot of the perpendicular from the point asking me after finding b already u given average of u and v average of u that is what u vector plus v vector by 2 in this way you find. Am I right? Two formula. So suppose foot of the asking me first find image of p, that is what v vector, afterwards average of u and v vector. Now example 6.55 image only asking x is the last problem, foot of the problem asking, that is both what you will find. Am I right? Now find the image of the point whose position vector I plus 2j plus 3k is in the plane. The r dot n, am I right? It is about plane. R dot n is I plus 2j plus 4k equal to p. That is number is p. Then first one is u vector. Now in the formula, first in the formula, image of b of u is given by, write the formula clearly, b vector equal to u vector plus 2 into b minus u dot n into n vector by modulus of n vector. Am I right? Also. Now we want u dot n. U is what? I plus 2k plus 3k dot n is what? I plus 2j plus 4k. Am I right? Now I is 9, 1. J with j 4. K with k 12. That is what? 570. Now modulus of n vector. You got what? Then you know 1 square, 2 square, 4 square. Now square on both sides. Modulus of n whole square. Root will not come. Am I right? That is 21. Now substitute that. Therefore, v vector equal to u vector is what? Our assumption I plus 2j plus 3k plus 2 into p minus p is 38 minus u dot n under 17 divided by n square, modulus of n square is 21 into n vector already found out 1i plus 2j plus 4k. Now again the same thing. Now what is the answer? 2 into 21 by 21 is cancelled. here I plus 2j plus 4j. Once again, I plus 2j plus 3k. Now all the numbers are 1 to 2. Am I correct? 2y, 4j plus 8k. Now adding I will take 3i vector, j with j, 6j vector plus 11k vector. In this way, you will find the mean. This is called image of I plus 2j plus 3k plus that's all. The exercise problem. Next part is asking. I use the same formula. Check. Now exercise last question. 6.9 last question. Find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular and the length of the perpendicular from the point to the plane. I will find first part. Actually, two parts, you know. Length is easy for you. Thus I have find second part. Okay? Second part. Length of the perpendicular from the point 4, 3, 2 to the plane x plus 2y plus 3z plus 2 equal to is d equal to what is the formula? What is the formula? ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d minus d or p by root of a square plus b square plus c the formula. Now substitute here, x is what? 4. D is what? 2 into 3. 3 into 2. This is minus 2. Am I right? Now coefficient of x square, y square, x square. 4 plus 6 plus 6 minus 2. Am I right? Smallest. Here 1 plus 4 plus 9 equal to 10, 16, 14. 14 by root of 14. 14 by root of 14 can be done as this can be root of 14, root of 14. 1 root but cancel only root 14. This is the first, second sub is an answer. Am I right? Now, what is the name? Second part, foot of the perpendicular. Am I right? That means you will find the first image of what does it? Image of the point, image of D of U. Write the form. Second subdivision. So the first subdivision to find the point. What is the point of foot of the perpendicular? Foot of the perpendicular. This is a full finish. This is a point I know. Then as usual, from this one you assume what I told you. First find B. Afterwards, B means image of B of U. Image of B of U. First find B. After S, average of U and V is called foot of the perpendicular. Now let U equal to, what is U? The point. 4i, 3j plus 2k N is what? How do you know? This is called what? Plane equation. R dot I plus 2j plus 3k equal to, that is I plus 2j plus 3k. Then P equal to what? First by U dot A. Dot I plus 2j plus now multiply 4 plus 6 plus 6 14. Am I right? Then modulus of n whole square root of what is the answer? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. Now modulus of n whole square equal to what? 1 plus 4 plus 9 is 14. Okay? Now substitute that. Therefore D equal to U vector plus 2 into P is 2 minus U dot N is what? 14 by U dot 14 into N vector. Am I right? In this way, you want to simplify afterwards. Actually, modulus of N is this one. Squaring and percentage root will not come. Root will not come. Only 14. Only 14. Can you see no? 7. Once again subtract. What do you want to say? 2 minus. Actually here 4 plus 6 plus again 6, you know. And that's 16 will come. Am I right? 16. Yes, 16. Now again 4i 3j plus 2k minus 14 by 7. That's no. Now simplify 4i plus 3j plus 2k minus 2i minus 4j minus 6k. Now simplify 2i, I with I, j with j, k with k. This is called D vector. Now, foot of the perpendicular from the point to the plane is, take the average. We get the answer. That's all. Now only, therefore, foot of the perpendicular from the point, which point? 4, 3, 2 to the plane is U vector plus V vector by 2. U vector, our assumption 4i plus 3j plus 2k. V vector already find out 2i minus j 4k by 2. What is our answer? 6i plus 2j minus 2k by 2. All the numbers are divided by 2. 3i cap plus 1j cap minus k cap. This is the foot of the perpendicular. Now, what is asking? The coordinates of the foot of the point. Asking, no? The coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular equal to is 3, 1, minus 1. Coordinates of points. That's why x coordinate, y coordinate, z coordinate. 3, 1, minus 1. The last two problems are somewhat different. Some of the idea. The remaining, no. What is the remaining? Length of the perpendicular from the point to the plane. And also, one more thing. Which one? First one. Angle between the two straight line or two plane. A line straight line. Is that the more question? Now one more question, different question. I want to explain the problem also. Afterwards, this section is over. This actually distance between the two parallel planes. two parallel planes. This type of question not in the textbook. Sorry, not in the exercise problem, but exam problem is there. No problem. 6.51 exam problem. Find the distance between the parallel plane x plus 2y minus 2l plus 1 equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 4z plus 5 equal to 0. This is good. The parallel plane all x term, y term, z will be equal, differ by a constant. That is called parallel plane. Now we have 2x, 4y minus 4 is wrong. Divided by automatically x plus 2y minus 2z, here 5 by 2 equal to 0. Now brother, 1 and 2, x, 2y, 2y, minus 3 minus. Constant will define. Therefore, 1 and 2 are parallel planes. Am I right? Now, distance between the parallel planes, delta or d, what is it? What is called d1 minus d2 divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Am I right? Here d1 is what? In first thing is the constant term, d is 1. T is minus 5 by 2. 1 minus 5 by 2 divided by root of the coefficient of x, y is no square and adding. Both are same no. 1 square, 2 square, minus 2 square. 1 square, 2 square, minus 2 square. Am I right? Now 2 is equal to 2 minus 5 by 2. Here 1 plus 4 plus 4. Minus 3 by 2. Root of 9. 2 to the minus 3 by 2 divided by 3. 3 cancel. 1 by 2 is the answer. That's all. 1 by 2 is the distance between the parallel. 1 by 2 is second. That's all. Anyway, first volume completely over. Thorough will for quarterly examination. Study. That's all.